Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. I'm late for the people at work. I know is that it's so bright out here. It look like afternoon thoughts is what I should be saying. Big up and bless up to everybody this morning. I was working overtime. Y'all know I'm doing my 9 to 5 and I do my YouTube thing. So last night I was filming and editing a whole bunch of videos for the channel, and I got carried away because I'm really into the YouTube thing. So without a little bit of sleep, or with only a little bit of sleep, here I am again to face another day. I'm about to go inside here and get my daily bread. Snow is on the ground. If I can give you a view of what it looks like out here. See there, I saw it look out here. Ain't too much snow on the ground, but it's cold, right? And you know, if you don't know about snow, it's when a little bit of snow is on the ground and the wind is chopping is when it's really cold, like right now. When enough snow up on the ground, the place is actually warm. Or a little bit warm. I'm not talking about summer weather. Warm, of course. Big up for yourself, people. Manners and respect to all my people, my good, hard-working people, my clean-hearted people. So, here we are. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. It is the second day of the work week. And Friday is far away, or so it seems, for those of us who actually have a weekend, or more and work Monday to Friday. So, here what? This morning, I started off on the chat room telling people to take 5 minutes, just 5 minutes out of your day to meditate. Send yourself positive affirmations. I am great. I was built for this. Today is going to be a super day. Today is going to be an awesome day. Today is going to be a magnificent day. I am great. I was built for this. Success is what I'm chasing. This is my life story. I am starring in this movie. I am in control. That's it. Tell yourself some nice things for the day and then go off and get it done. I realize being out here on this contract that no matter how much I would like for the time to speed up so I can get back to work, to home, get back to Florida, get back to the nice weather, get back to the beach, the time is not going to go any faster than time goes, you know? So, hey, all I have to do is do the time. Don't let the time do me. So, for all my people that are out there doing time somewhere and would rather be somewhere else, it's all in the mind, yeah? All in the mind. So get up and do it. Get it done. Remember that it's all in the mind. Send yourself positive affirmations throughout the day. And there's so many things that I want to talk about. I'm going to mix in everything. Big up to Buju Banton. Buju Banton will be home now in less than a month. It's going to be a big old party fiesta in Jamaica when he touched down. Tell me in the comment section if you think that Buju Banton deserves to be pardoned by the people. Now, here is my opinion before you even answer that question, because I might forget to say it in the comment section below. None of us are perfect, right? And the man never pick up any gun and he didn't kill nobody with no gun. As a messenger, as a brother that has uplifted so many and done so many right, uplifted so many spiritually. I remember there's one particular deployment I was on in Iraq, and I was supposed to be there for 12 months. And then we got extended to 16 months. 16 months in a hot combat zone. We lost soldiers the second morning we got there. So we got there, we arrived in the nighttime, and we ride out. A part of our unit went out the morning after to go survey the area that we were going to be taking over, and an IED went off and killed a very good friend of mine in that, because he was the commander's vehicle driver and right hand, and he died along with the commander. Right, that's all. And I remember I was going through a very rough time, right? Music is powerful. I was going through a very rough time, and there was a unit, what was he at the time? A CO? Yeah, there was a CO at the time that did not like me for whatever the reason was. Maybe because I'm big and black and he's little and white. I don't know what his reason was. The man just did not like me, couldn't stand me for nothing. And everywhere he saw me, he would make it a point to go overboard with whatever it was. Now, they have ways that they can get extremely petty in the military. It could be from one shoelace being loose. It could be you're looking at me the wrong way. By the way, that is called nonverbal disrespect to an NCO or a CO, to a commissioned officer or a non-commissioned officer, right? And at the time, this was like one of my second deployment, I think. And I remember just kept playing Buju Banton song over and over in my head. And Sizzla song over and over in my head. This particular incident, it was Sizzla's song that I was playing over and over in my head. They can't keep a good man down, always keep a smile when they want me to frown. I take the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown. And I kept playing that over in my head like, this man can never take my crown. Him can't keep a good man down. I don't have no bad ill feelings towards anybody. Don't know what his gripe is with me. But he's in a position of authority and he's abusing it on me. Right? And I remember I kept playing that Sizzla song in my head because, yo, in the military ain't much you can do. Once you're in, right? And there isn't much you can do. It's not like out here where you can tell a man, say, yo, my youth, I want to you. You have a problem with me? Like, man to man, we could talk about this. Or you want to fight, or whatever, however you're going to handle it. But in there, it's a whole different story. You go by rank and chain of command. So here I was stuck in that position. And it was a song from Sizzla that was keeping me going and going. And every time I saw this man, this CO, this song just started automatically playing in my head. You can't keep a good man down, always keep a smile when they want me to frown. I remember the man started saying stuff like, are you eyeballing me? Are you eye-fucking me? Because I would literally just bust out smiling. Always keep a smile when they want you to frown. That was the message that was in my head for him. And him just couldn't get it. So anyway, people, always keep a smile when they want you to frown. Yeah, man. Big up and bless up today. And we're going to talk a little bit later. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Leave topics of anything that you would like for me to talk about on SoFlo TV. Something happened in Jamaica yesterday. Somebody said, SoFlo, I like when you keep the morning thoughts them positive and upbeat. Sometimes I have to throw everything in a one bowl and just mix it up. Right now, something happened in Jamaica yesterday that I find very troubling. Like a father went to go drop his child off to school and the father was executed right in front of the school. Right after dropping his child off. Now me I said to myself, said the killer here probably pre him, watch him, and say, you know what? I don't want to do it with the youth in there. Me not kill no picnic. Right? So me I wait till him drop off the youth. And him drop off the youth, bam, walk up to the car window, knock it, he opened the window, bam, 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 done him. So, is that where we're at? Like people getting killed, dropping their kids off to school. They said he's a very successful businessman, live up in a Narbrook somewhere up there, so say, you know, so it's not cheap to live up in them areas there. And I don't know if it's an extortion thing, if it's a hit thing, rivalry, rival business partner. Yo, I'm gonna take up all the business, dash him away, here's 10 grand. That kind of thing. I don't know what it is, but it's on my mind. It's on my mind. I'm gonna leave it right there for now though. I don't want to leave you with nothing negative, so I'm gonna go back to saying this. Give yourself positive affirmations for the day, right? Remember, always keep a smile when they want you to frown. Take the vibes and I stood my ground. They can never ever take my crown. Big up and bless up people at SoFlo TV. I'm out. Peace.